I am literally terrorizing these people, bruv. Yo, I'm terrorizing them so hard. It's mad. Oh my God, please. I needed to go green. Oh, this guy is just chilling, bruv, on his line bike, bruv. It's like, I don't know what. Huh? Money? No, nothing. English, look green. Bye bye, yeah? Bye bye, bye bye. Which way, baby? Down. I heard music there.
Around and down that way. Calm down, up, around and down. Follow.
Oh, why are you so riding so close?
You're telling me the best part of the festival is outside McDonald's.
Oh, it's looking a bit dead, baby. Which way? Which way? I think we've been up that way. I think we've been up that way.
No.
Should we turn around?
I can't lie, I don't know where we're going.
Well, let's see. Oh, okay. Okay. Looks active.
Yeah.
Looks active. Oh shit. We're normal civilized people. It's normal civilized people.
Oh, I thought it was raining. Yeah, it really is.
Of course, man. There has to be a Fed right there, bruh.
Behave.
What do you think about these old people? Oh my God, I scared her.
Oh, she smiles.
Scaring the old people. Come on.
Oh my God, look at these guys on the bike. You like? Oh mate. Where's those feds?
They're gone. Look at the smiles.
Some people actually smile.
Yeah, they're probably happy.
Mad team, bruv. I thought the French people were absolute, what's the word I'm looking for, man? Saddos and so depressed, but they're not depressed at all, man. They actually smile sometimes. Come on, bro. Yellow stuff brake pads come in and clutch, you know. Come on, Kazi. Sheesh. The road I noticed, baby, yeah, the road is so like, this road surface is quite slippery.
Yeah.
Like the tarmac here is so slippery and braking, yeah? And it's like the car is holding and sliding. It's crazy, bro. It's ridiculous, man. It's crazy. That is so jokes. You like? No? Why are you staring then if you don't like? Come on, walk on. Nonsense. Speed. You know what, yeah, the people of France here, they're very sad, but if you hype them up, if you give them some good, like something to be happy about, they're like, you know what, yeah, let's be happy. Yeah? Yeah? Come on. You too. Yeah, bro. We're tearing the streets of France, you know. Come on. Sheesh. Love it or hate it, yeah, but a man's gonna rip up your street before I go back to England, cause you get me. Come on, bro. We don't mess around here, bro. Man in the S3, cause he eats S3. We saying, big boy, you good? You good, man? You good? How you doing? You good? You like the sound of the car? You like the sound of the car? Yeah. My driller. Yeah, I see you smiling, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. What do you think?
Yeah.
What do you think? Yeah. Oh, bomber clutch.
She looked so dead before, now she's laughing.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, they're deep down, they're normal.
Man said deep down they're normal, fam. Oh my god. Oh man. Oh my bro, mate, baby, look out. Yeah.
You have to send me the location.
Oh, I'm gonna blow my engine up at this point. Oh my god. Oh my god, we did not want a blown engine, bruv. In France, we did not.
Hold on. No, Damien, I didn't get anything. Oh, you sent it now. Oh, okay. Okay, we'll be there, don't worry. Yeah? Yeah, I have it now. Alright, bye-bye.
We'll be punching the location.
Bye.
Wait, let me get them cross.
Charging.
It's not London, you don't have to stop for the stripes. Zebra crossing. Go.
I'm loving it. Loving the thing. Let me jump out quick. Let me. It's green. let me do a look at launch screen. Can I do? Oh no, I can't. I was gonna do a look at launch control.
I know you will.
And press start.
Stop.
Start. Oh wait, why is it doing it like that?
I don't know. Let me try again.
Mate, this car is ridiculously loud, bro.
Turn in here, yeah? I don't know why I said that.
Woo-wee. What are you saying? What the girl them saying in the car? Bro, I even forgot to tell you guys, yeah, man is 3 man up in this, 3 man deep in this whip, yeah, the car is moving mad, you get me? Whoo, god damn, we were 4 man deep in the whip, yeah, but obviously now the guy left, now I got the two galleys in the car, yeah, bro, it's a mad thing, bro. We've been recording, 38 minutes here, been tearing the streets of London, of Paris, yeah, for 28 minutes, yeah, and guess what, only lost 1 bar of fuel. It's crazy. I don't know how, but only 1 bar of fuel lost.
Only lost 1 guy too.
Yeah. Come on, cousin. You like? You interested? God damn. Yeah. You want to buy the car? Which way, baby? Straight up.
Slowly straight. Why is it doing that? What's going on? Maybe it's not working.
No? You just direct me on your phone. Take it up. I'm ruining it. Oh, which way? I'm ruining it. And these guys don't even know what I'm saying, bro. It's jokes, fam. You want some more? Oh, she hates me. Oh my god.
Bro, the guy played the violin and the girl singing it.
You a piece.
They both stopped.
Yeah, I know that. I know what. There's no even point. You turn, yeah. Oh my God,
No,
bro.
here, no, here, no, here.
Oh, you can go in here, though. I'm sure. I'm sure you can go in here.
I'm surprised.
Oh, mate. People of England are going to piss me off. Oh my God. I mean, the people of England, the people of France, they're going to get so pissed. Oh, is it?
That's what it says.
Oh, mate. Whew. God damn. This is some crazy type shit. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Come on. Come on. Oh, mate. Oh, you know what it is? When they see you with a helmet, yeah, they're like, what the hell is going on here, bro? Why has he got a helmet and a flipping camera in his head, bro? That's why. My guy, you good? Yeah. Come on. My driller. Oh, yeah. I see you.
Oh wait, she's got a boo boo.
I see you.
Wait, no, she's got a boo boo. I need that.
Hello, hi. You want to head the car? Yeah, go. Yeah. Yeah, I see you. That's it. But they got an Audi here, man. Flipping out, crazy. That's crazy. Whew. No, I meant the shop Audi, baby.
Oh. My bad.
Let's get these. Look at his face! Ah, he's pissed! Oh my days! Yo! My man is pissed! He's fuming! Oh my God!
Ending the music and
Fuming!
Yeah.
Oh mate!
It was really weird.
Oh my God, bro! Oh my God! I need to park my car away from this flipping town. Oh my God! Oh, they'd be like, here's that guy that was revving the car. Yeah, let's key the car. Let's mash up. Oh mate! Oh, I'm having way too much fun today, man. Way too much fun.
Okay, let's park the car.
Yeah, no, we're gonna go to the location.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Did it? Yeah. You see that? Yeah. They're loving it. They're starting to love it now. Yeah. Yeah.
she's talking about the helmet.
These guys are loving it.
No, he's really did something we don't even know.
Look here, right here, it's fuming.
You don't know what you're saying.
I don't know.
It doesn't matter. So
No, he's actually trying to cuss you out.
She's pissed. Ah, look at your face. Come on. I'm putting on show for you.
these guys are loving
Oh my God, bro. Oh man. Oh, it's good. Our reaction is good. This is good reaction, bro.
No, it's
We're
bad.
terrorizing people. They don't need to be happy. We're terrorizing them. Oh mate. No, I've actually terrorized the city of Paris
You
today,
really
man.
have.
I actually have. London was nothing, bro. They didn't care. But here, they don't get cars like this doing shit like this. Oh, mate. My mouth is so dry. I'm from the UK, people. Oh my God, the old lady is not loving it.
The kid is so.
Is not loving it.
The kid is so.
They're not loving it. Bro, I don't care if you're loving it. We're here to terrorize you. This is why I came to Paris, you know. Merci. Yahoo! Woo! I actually want to do just a little launch control. I just want to get everyone's reaction.
Maybe ambulance.
Oh, fuck's sake, doesn't want to do it. Oh man, now they're going. I think they were waiting for me. They're like, let's let him come. Let's escort him. Let's escort him. Oh, we're back in this busy section.
Oh my days, slow here.
I really want to do a launch control, baby. I really do. No, wait. No, baby, you can't. I need to do a launch control. I need to. Let's see if it works.
Any random
Yeah.
variants. They're shocked.
Because they ain't seen no one like this do anything this stupid. Actually, it's not stupid. This is good. We're helping. We're helping the city of France. Yeah.
No, you've made everyone less depressing.
I've lightened up the mood, man.
Yeah.
I've lightened up the mood, man.
She tripped up to cuss you out.
Go. Yeah, yes. Go. Yeah, I know. Agree. I put that in the like, what the hell are you? Oh mate, this bus is gonna freak me out. No?
Now it's 7 minutes.
Did I?
Oh my days.
Which was I meant to go? Oh, sugar. Maybe let's just park and walk. I'm sure we dropped him off somewhere here anyway. Yep. Yeah, look, and there, I'm pretty sure, man. I'm pretty sure. If we park somewhere here,
Yeah, go find parking.
that would be absolutely amazing
I
if
haven't
we
seen
can
any
park.
paid parking.
Yeah,
I've looked for.
there's no way I can park. Going for someone to park. Someone gives me some mad reaction. YouTube. Hey, yeah, YouTube. Look, on the screen, YouTube. That YouTube, yeah. Is it green?
Yeah.